Do you fancy earning $40,000 a year? Well, the product I'm about to show you is simple, underrated, and high in demand. Did I also mention you can do it without even having to get up from your seat? So stick to that very seat and listen carefully to the money hack we're about to tell you. The method we're talking about is printable flashcards for kids. Over the years, flashcards have become a very popular way of teaching children thanks to their simplicity and effectiveness. Whether it's animals, colors, alphabets, or numbers, the versatility of flashcards is unmatched. And it's completely up to you which niche you want to start with. For example, these alphabet flashcards on Etsy cost $2.50 per unit and have 3,577 ratings, meaning the store has made nearly $9,000 from flashcards alone. Or these fruit flashcards, which have made over $3,000 with 1163 ratings, with each unit costing $2.75. And not to mention these animal ones, which have made a mind-blowing $380,000 with 31,597 ratings, and the price for one unit being $12.10. The best part is that if you search for these flashcards on Etsy, you'll find very few sellers, which means lower competition and consistent reviews, which means the demand is at an all-time high. Now let me show you how to create the products efficiently and make them stand out. But that's not all you need for success. I will also let you in on a secret that very few know. Let's begin. Like any other process, first we need to decide on a niche and then brainstorm ideas in the chosen niche. For that, you can seek the all-time best AI, ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to give me some niches and ideas for flashcards for children aged 6 to 10. Now I have a list of niches and ideas. You can do animal habitats or spellings and vocabulary or geometric shapes. There are so many choices to make, but I really like transportation flashcards, so I asked ChatGPT to give me ideas for the flashcards. Now I have all the ideas I need for the flashcards and even some advice on creating them. But we're not done yet. The problem is we only have a very general idea for flashcards. We still need to find ways to make ourselves different from the market. And for that, I have a very simple trick which I'm going to teach you today. To stand out, you need to solve problems, so go on Etsy and look at various best-selling products. Analyze their products to note the specifics. For example, how many cards are included, which style is used, and which type makes the highest revenue. But to actually stand out, go through the reviews, especially negative ones, to find what you can improve to make yourself unique. Once you have all the vital information, you need to bring the ideas to life through illustrations. And among so many AIs, I think Playground AI is the best choice for flashcard illustration. My favorite part about Playground AI is that it's completely free and you can use the images commercially. To make things better, the images are always of high quality. Playground AI has a very simple and user-friendly interface. To start using it, open its web page and click on Get Started. From here, you can make your Playground account. Once you have an account, you can access all the features. Click on Create at the top to start producing your illustration. The top left box is the Filters box. From here, you can select from a variety of different filters to apply to your image generation. In the box below, you can put your prompts. I have a very simple prompt format, type of image, object, style, and any other modifications. If you turn on the Exclude from Image option, whatever you will type into this box, the Playground will avoid using this in the illustration generated. From here, you can select models. Playground only provides 3 models. I'll be sticking with the default one, which is Stable Diffusion 1.5. And here you can select the number of images generated. There are so many useful features in Playground AI, but I will not delve into too many details except the basic function we need. Using the format I mentioned, I entered the following prompt. 3D realistic car with a front view, no background, oil illustration. You don't have to stick exactly to the prompt, so keep making necessary changes until you have the desired illustration. You can also keep changing the illustration style. By clicking the 3 dots on top if the image, you can also remove the image background. This is a crucial step, as you will see later. Repeat the process until you have all the illustrations that you need. Let's put all our illustrations into flashcard format with the free flashcard maker by Canva. Just search Canva Flashcard Maker on Google and open the first link. To start, click on Create Flashcard. As you can see, there are several different templates that you can use and alter. Upload all the illustrations you previously generated on Canva. Then scroll through the templates and select one that you think suits your niche and design. Drag and drop the image. Now you may have noticed that the images have a background that doesn't look too professional, so we will use the Remove Background option provided by Canva Pro to get rid of it. Adjust the size and position it on the flashcard. Last, don't forget to add the text. Do this process for all the illustrations to complete the first version of the flashcard. The second version will only have the illustration, whereas the third version will only have the text. Once you're done, click on the Share button on the top right corner and export the file in a PDF version. Voila, you have successfully created your very first printable flashcards. Before I end the video, I will tell an amazing marketing strategy, which is provide more value. If you notice, all the sellers were the same, they had nothing different about them. So to differentiate your product, you can use the highly effective strategy which even big corporates use. When you sell your flashcards, provide a free coloring book in the same genre as the flashcards, which in my case will be transportation. Honestly, who doesn't get tempted by the offer of free stuff? So once you lure your customers with the free coloring books, your sales will soar. Creating a coloring book is a fairly easy process. Just go to home and search for coloring book pages, then copy whichever prompt you like and make your own pages and generate a few illustrations. Then go to Canva and click on Custom Size. Change the measuring unit to inch. The size that we need for a coloring book is 8.5 widths and 11 lengths. Click on Create to open up a new custom size canvas. Go to the Upload tab and upload your coloring pages just like what we did before for the flashcards. Drag one of the coloring pages and drop them on the canvas, then adjust them accordingly. Add another page and repeat the process until you have uploaded all the images. In case any of your pages have slight shading, you can go to Edit Picture. Then go to Adjustment and scroll until you see blacks and whites. Increase them or decrease to enhance the white spaces and outlines. You can also mess around with other settings until you have a satisfactory result, and you're done. Just like then, in less than 20 minutes, you have created a free coloring book that can help you lure in customers and increase sales. It's much more effective than any other strategy, trust me. Click on Share and export it in PDF prints and move on to the last step. Make an Etsy account as a seller and upload your printables on it. As I have mentioned before, you can take inspiration from other sellers and list your product appropriately. Don't forget to mention the free coloring book. Now all you need to do is relax and watch the money pour in. With that, this video comes to an end. Subscribe to my channel if you found this information helpful. Leave a comment, and don't forget to like and share. Until next time, goodbye.